Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and as you can see, I'm in Churchill, Manitoba on the shores of Hudson Bay, way in northern Canada, and I have just had the trip of a lifetime. We've been out for several days seeing polar bears in their natural habitat, and I've been drawing. It's been absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's been the trip of a lifetime. And since I had the trip of a lifetime, I thought, let's bring back the deal of a lifetime at creatureartteacher.com. For a limited time, our lifetime memberships are back. So you'll have access to over 850 hours of course content, digital brushes, and artist reference packs, and it's all yours to keep forever. Plus, you'll get access to members-only live streams and our Discord server. So hurry, head on over to creatureartteacher.com because this isn't gonna last long. Once again, creatureartteacher.com for your lifetime membership.